Today, we're going to show you the all living things Perchin Playground. We're also going to introduce Ricky, our new bird, Cockatiel. And so we got to take this apart, put it together, and see if Ricky likes it. We'll open it up and see how it works. Just put together like this when we take it out of the box. Simple directions. And let's put it together, see if it works good. Putting it together, you have to glue some things down and then wait 1 hour. So we're gonna wait an hour and continue on putting it together. Okay, so now we have it completed. Okay, we'll see if he likes his new. Oh, look at this. Look at. Yeah, he's on a swing. We'll see. I think he's a little too excited right now because he hasn't seen me for a little bit. But yeah, so there's a lot for him to play on. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, look at it, shakes back and forth. Yeah. You got a rope here you can walk back up and down? Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Come on here. You can walk. Yeah. You can walk back and forth. Uh-huh. What do you think about it? You happy? Well, we'll keep trying. You got a new little plaything? You have ladders you can walk down? Yeah. Yeah. Go down your ladder. You get a little bell to ring. Doesn't make much noise, that little bell. And so here's the ladder. Do you know how to go up the ladder?
Try it, Birdie. He's going up in here.
Yeah.
He's going to do it. He's going to do it.
Yeah, he's walking the ladder.
Watch out, Birdie.
Yeah.
You watch out, Birdie. Aw, he wants me. Oh, what are you doing? He wants to go to the bell. He wants to go to the bell.
This playground.
Ricky